How to hide your following list on TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop other people from seeing who you're following on TikTok. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So let's start by opening the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. The steps are exactly the same on both. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your TikTok profile page. In the past, the only way to hide your following list was to make your entire account private, but that's no longer necessary. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From here, go into Settings and Privacy. Once you're on this page, tap on Privacy. This section lets you control who can see different parts of your TikTok account. Scroll down a bit until you find the option called Following List. If your following list is currently visible to everyone, this option will be set to Everyone. Tap on it. Simply change it to Only Me. As soon as you do that, you'll be the only person who can see who you're following on TikTok. That's it. Your following list is now hidden and you didn't even need to make your whole account private. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.